All electrical connections must be in accordance with local codes, ordinances, and the National Electric Code. This product operates on 24-volt DC. Always confirm the maximum wattage of the fixture does not exceed the maximum wattage of the circuit it is connected to. If you are unfamiliar with methods of installing electrical wiring, secure the services of a qualified licensed electrician. Before installation, turn off power at main fuse box or disconnect power plug from outlet. Follow all instructions in the video. JESCO Lighting Group, LLC shall not be responsible or liable for any damage, injury, or loss resulting from the installation or use of JESCO lighting products as demonstrated in this video. By proceeding with the installation, you acknowledge and accept these terms and release. In this video, we will walk through the installation of the FLEX2 FBL Flexible Backlit Light Strip in a lightbox with stretch fabric. The lightbox used in this demonstration measures 19.5 inches by 19.5 inches, with an inner dimension of 18 inches by 18 inches. The FLEX2 FBL strip can be cut every 4 inches. For this installation, each strip should be cut to 16 inches, leaving a 1-inch gap on both ends once installed. First, measure and mark 1 inch from the inner edge of the frame. This can be done from either the top or bottom. In this example, we measured from the top. Cut the FBL strip to 16 inches. Before installing, measure a 2-inch spacing and position another 16-inch FBL strip. Repeat this process until there is approximately a 1-inch gap between the last FBL strip and the edge of the frame. Once all the FBL strips are cut, begin installation with the strip closest to the top edge of the frame. Peel off the adhesive backing and align the strip with the reference mark. Press firmly to secure it in place. Maintain a 2-inch gap, then install the next strip using the same process. Repeat until all FBL strips are installed. After installation, insert the power feed cable into the onboard connector of the first FBL strip. Turn on the power to test the electrical connection. Once confirmed, use connecting cables to link all installed FBL strips through their onboard connectors. It is recommended to have 12-inch connecting cables on hand to ensure sufficient length to connect the output onboard connector of one strip to the input onboard connector of the next strip. Once all FBL strips are connected and powered on, tape down any loose cables to secure them in place. Finally, install the stretch fabric. This concludes the installation video. Thank you for watching.